Okay, good afternoon. So this is our discussion for our financial analysis topic, which is the labor cost. So for labor cost, you need to have all the position in your establishment and then the rate. Of course, the rate is monthly, so meaning to say you will pay your staff in a monthly basis or the total of the salaries twice a month. And then for the monthly cost, you need to identify how much will be the salary of all your staff. The annual cost, you will just multiply your monthly cost into 12 because there are 12 months in a year. Number of employees, how many employees you have in all the position or in each position. And then the total amount, you will just uh, multiply the annual cost into the number of the employees. And then in order to get the total annual salary, you need to add all the total amount of salary in this column. And then in order to have the total monthly salary, you need to have the total of the salary monthly per position. So if there are one or more than one employees in each position, your monthly salary will be multiplied into the number of employees. So, for example, assistant pastry, there are three employees for assistant pastry. So, meaning to say, 7,120 times 3 will be its total monthly salary. And then you will just have the um, computation or the summation of all those monthly salaries. Okay, and then in order to complete for the labor cost, you need to have the 10% SS contribution from the total amount or annual salary. So it meaning to say you will multiply the total annual salary into 10%, and then PhilHealth is the same as well. You get the 10% of the total annual salary. And then if you are going to have the employees meal, how much will be your employees meal? And then times or multiply into the number of your employees and then multiply to 365 days because that is the total amount of days in a year. Okay, so that's it for the labor cost.